This is a little bit of a payback for all the community who uploads helping videos. I have an IRB 1200 and this is a rather older IRC5. I got the warning that the battery runs low and I always lost the date count. So older models have a 2032 little button battery on the motherboard, and that sits down there. I could not find any tutorials how to change it, but I had some help from my mainland China friends to send me some PDF descriptions, but obviously I just thought I'd record this quickly. So how I did this is fairly straightforward. So the first thing, you need to remove the top. There's a top lid, a few screws, front and back. And then you need to remove the side panels. So on either side. I also removed the power unit, 4 screws here. Inside the top lid, there's also, well, I'm not quite sure whether that is everywhere, but there's a diagram which screws you have to remove. Unclip, I think this is the fan power, was unclip these ones. And then you end up looking at the dirty motherboard, and the battery, I just replaced it, sits there on the motherboard. You just take the old one out and clip this one in. And I think that should be it. So not very complicated.